I'm Heidi Hewitt, AutoCAD Technical Marketing Manager at Autodesk, speaking with Thomas Longnecker, Engineering Systems Manager at Kone Elevators and Escalators. And we've been talking about the automation that you've done with AutoCAD and how it's affected the processes there at Kone. Has it improved or affected the sales force and their abilities?
Yeah, I think so. Kone went through a real paradigm shift last year. We got a new president of the company, and he wanted to change the focus on everybody in the company really helping the sales department, and in essence helping our customers, customer focus. So there's a lot of people that went through all these processes that we had in Kone and looked and said, how can we help the sales department to get more interface with the customer and less interface with their computer? And this automation that we did in AutoCAD was really a huge step towards that. You know, before when they had to fill these, you know, had to fill out forms and send it into the engineering department, and just a lot of time and effort was spent doing, you know, getting the salesman then became a semi-engineer. You know, filling out all this information about the elevator and dealing with that side of it versus actually interfacing with our customers and talking to our customers. And so now they still have some computer time. They still got to sit down and fill out this information, but they don't have to give that to the engineer so much. It's just automated for them. And I think it's time for drawings to the customer has, you know, gone from weeks to minutes. And it's really made a difference for them, I think.
Can't argue with that.
Yeah.
Time to market, right?
That's right, that's right. And when they're putting together these bid packages and dealing with the customers, you know, the drawing should be the last thing they're worried about. And I hope that's helped them.
So it's kind of limiting the specifications, I mean, really letting them narrow down on exactly what is available? Yeah. So if you had this huge elevator that you were selling, that, you know, like for this building, this hotel that we're in right now, you know, it takes a lot of effort from the sales department to get that information into the system and over to the engineering department. But if they're selling it for a strip mall that has 2 floors, they don't need to have the same specs that they have on a building like this. You know, so it really that A process, that straight back to the sales force with the drawings. The answers were narrowed down to the point where they can just answer a few questions and get their drawings back. So it's really helped. Great. All right, thanks, Thomas.